Welcome to my channel, where today we step into a world of rolling luxury that will blow your mind. Imagine a motorhome so opulent, so futuristic, that it makes even the most expensive mansions look outdated. Yes, I'm talking about the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a $2 million masterpiece on wheels. This is not just a vehicle, it's a luxury palace built to travel anywhere, anytime. From its sleek exterior design to its mind-bending interior features, this motorhome redefines road luxury. Buckle up because what you're about to see is beyond imagination. Let's dive deep into this mansion on wheels. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is the future of high-end travel. Its design is bold, commanding attention on every highway it cruises. The exterior boasts cutting-edge aerodynamics and premium metallic finishes, making it both stylish and efficient. Step inside, and the transformation is jaw-dropping. Expansive living spaces, high ceilings, and lighting that adjusts with your mood. Every corner whispers class and exclusivity, from the leather seating to the handcrafted wooden accents. This is not just transportation. It's a statement of wealth, elegance, and absolute comfort. The Kenworth T2000 doesn't just take you places, it makes every journey unforgettable. Now let's step into the kitchen where culinary dreams come alive. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome doesn't compromise on food luxury, it enhances it. Imagine walking into a fully equipped chef's paradise featuring smart appliances, an induction cooktop, and a sleek oven system. Granite countertops shimmer under ambient LED lights, while storage drawers glide open effortlessly. The refrigerator is massive, capable of holding days' worth of gourmet meals. There's even a smart water filtration system for crystal-clear drinking water. Whether it's preparing quick snacks or five-star dinners, this kitchen makes cooking on the road as luxurious as it gets. The bedroom of the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is nothing short of royalty on wheels. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a king-size bed with memory foam that molds perfectly to your comfort. The walls are soundproofed, ensuring peace and quiet no matter where you park. Mood lighting creates a calming atmosphere, while expansive windows let in breathtaking views of nature. Storage is cleverly hidden, with wardrobes and compartments designed to maximize space. A built-in entertainment system brings movies and music to life, while climate control ensures perfect sleep temperature. This is more than a bedroom, it's your private sanctuary on the road. Next, let's explore the bathrooms where elegance meets convenience. The Kenworth T2000 Motorhome features spa-inspired bathrooms that rival luxury hotels. Walk into marble-tiled floors, glass-enclosed rainfall showers, and heated mirrors that never fog. The sinks are carved from stone with golden fixtures that shine with luxury. Storage is abundant, keeping toiletries neatly tucked away. Advanced water recycling systems make it eco-friendly, while maintaining endless water supply comfort. Every visit feels like stepping into a personal spa retreat. Traveling doesn't mean compromising on comfort, and here, it means upgrading it beyond belief. Now, let's circle back once again to highlight the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome in even greater detail. This marvel is more than a travel vehicle. It's an identity of pure luxury. Its engineering combines power with elegance, ensuring smooth rides across all terrains. Cutting-edge technology integrates seamlessly with the interiors, making life on the road as effortless as living in a penthouse. Owners aren't just buying a motorhome, they're investing in a lifestyle of prestige and freedom. No wonder this motorhome has become a symbol of ultimate road luxury across the globe. Heading once again into the kitchen, the features never stop impressing. Smart touchscreens control every device, from ovens to coffee makers. Cupboards are softly illuminated, ensuring beauty and practicality even in low light. The dishwasher runs silently, while the island countertop doubles as a dining table. Wine coolers keep your drinks perfectly chilled, making every meal feel like a fine dining experience. With technology and design combined, this kitchen is a chef's dream on wheels, blurring the lines between home cooking and five-star restaurant service. Back to the bedroom once more, the luxury only grows richer. This space feels like a master suite you'd expect in a luxury hotel. The walls are adorned with premium finishes, and the underbed storage is vast yet discreet. A private vanity allows for dressing in elegance, while touch-controlled blinds ensure privacy at the push of a button. The entertainment system syncs seamlessly with smart devices, offering control from your phone or tablet. Every detail in this bedroom ensures one thing: your comfort is never compromised, even when you're far from home. And then, The bathrooms again remind us that the Kenworth T2000 plays in a league of its own. The showers include customizable jets for a spa-like massage, while the toilet system is advanced, eco-friendly, and self-cleaning. Every corner gleams with luxury, from brushed steel finishes to heated flooring. Even the smallest details like aromatherapy diffusers and motion sensor lights have been thought of. Here, bathing isn't just routine, it's an indulgence. Traveling the world has never been this elegant, this refreshing, or this refined. Finally, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome emerges as a trending symbol of unmatched luxury. Its reputation has spread across enthusiasts, travelers, and luxury seekers who want more than just a house. They want a house that moves. At $2 million, it's not just about affordability, it's about exclusivity. This motorhome gives you the freedom of the road without sacrificing an inch of comfort. It's bold, futuristic, and the definition of road luxury. Truly, the Kenworth T2000 has changed the game forever. So what do you think of the $2 million Kenworth T2000 motorhome? Is it the ultimate mansion on wheels, or has road luxury finally outdone itself? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible reviews. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep rolling in style.